Alright, let's continue with what we left off last time. So I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so now let's create a new estimate. Create new estimate here. I'm gonna say this one is pool division estimation, division 13 estimation. Okay, and I will just keep everything symbol over here. Right, so click save. The city should be Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale. Oh no, this one over here. Save. Alright, click save and continue. Alright, so now, last time we was in swimming pool, and we're gonna use this code over here. Alright, so this one they measure in surface areas over here, so which means 20 by 40. Right? The thing is that our pool over here, if we measure in surface area, this will not accurate. Why? Because the dive pool over here is way deeper than the competition pool and the training pool over here, and also for the for the small pool over here, the residential pool, they're gonna have a very shallow depth compared to the commercial we have in our project. So what we need to do is that we need to modify this number a little bit before we use this number. Okay. All right. So what I will do, I will open Excel. I'm gonna open the new Excel over here. All right. So I'm gonna use this number to do a little bit calculation. I'm gonna open this one here, and I'm gonna type material, labor, equipment. All right, material, what they have is 55.5. Labor, what they have is 6.94. Equipment, what they have is 2.5. Right? And the unit they have over here is square feet surface over here, so which means the surface. Okay. All right, so now let's check the depth of the pool, the typical pool over here. All right, so we know that the typical depth of the pool, we can ask Google to see if it know that. What is the typical depth of that? And it's say around 3.5 to 5.5 feet depth over here. So I'm gonna use the average one, could be 3.5 to 5.5. I will divide by equal 3.5 plus 5.5 divide by 2. I'm gonna have the typical depth is 4.5. Right, 4.5. So this is the pool. This pool over here for pool 20 by 40 by 4.5 feet depth over here. All right, so we know the size of the pool is over here, and this one they're gonna measure that one in unit cost is square feet of the surface. All right, now we need to modify this one a little bit. Let me highlight this one for you to see. All right, bigger for you to see, easier. Alright, so we know that this one is measured in square feet over here, and because like I said previously, because the pool over here we have a different depth, So measure by the square feet surface is not appropriate. I'm gonna convert all of the costs over here into something like cubic feet or gallon, so we can measure that easier. Let's convert them to cubic feet over here. Cubic feet. All right. Uh, so we know that uh, uh, for um, for this one over here is based on the surface. So if we want to convert this one to cubic feet, we need to calculate the let's calculate the total cost of this one, and then we will divide by the volume, and then we will get the cost in cubic feet over here. Okay, so the cost of this one in total we equal to this multiplied by the surface area of this one, right? Surface area is 20 multiplied by 40, right? You see that? All right, so this one will be the total cost of the pool over here. Of the pool over here, right? And now I'm gonna convert this one to cubic feet. If I convert that one to cubic feet, I will need to let this one divide by the volume of the pool over here, and the volume I will divide that by 20 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 4.5, okay, equal. And now what we have here, that one is the cost of the per cubic feet over here of the pool. Okay, so we know that is the cost of the pool in cubic feet. What we can do next is um, we're gonna calculate the volume of all of the four pool over here, and we can easily calculate that based on the gallon of water they give us over here, and from the gallon of water we convert to cubic feet, and then we can have the total cubic feet of all of the four five pool over here, including the spa as well. All right, so I'm gonna put this one over here. Maybe let me do like this. Let me do like this so we can see this one over here, and we can type that total. So I'm gonna say pool training pool competition pool, and then they have the dive pool, and then they have the teaching pool, and then they have the spa. Let's give this one some space here. All right, for the training pool, that one is 749,334A. This one is 976,340. This one is 926,57A, and this one is 26,323. This one is 2A39. All right. All right, this one is gallon. Then we can have maybe a total over here which will equal to the sum of the whole thing over here. All right, I have this one in gallon. Now what we can do, we can just go to Google and just copy this one over here, and I say this one gallon to cubic feet, and I have that one equal to around this one cubic foot, and I'm gonna say this one will equal in this. total in cubic feet here, and this one total in gallons, so we know that over here. All right, so I'm gonna put now we can calculate this one over here. All right, so we have the new unit cost over here. What I will do, I will go to RS mean over here, and I'm gonna go here. Let me give some space here. All right, and then I'm gonna go open this one, and I will change the measurement unit over here. I'm gonna change that one to cubic feet. Let's see if we have cubic feet over here. Square feet, CF cubic feet here. All right, and then we have the material cost is 12.33. Labor cost is 1.54. Equipment cost is 0.56. Okay, and this one we don't have to calculate that. Okay, because we just consider more about the bare cost over here. And I'm gonna say put some note over here. These unit costs are adjusted to cubic feet. Okay, and click save over here. All right, so now we have the number over here. I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna paste the quantity over here. Enter. And now I have the cost of the pool over here. Okay, and this cost over here, the cost over here is the cost of doing of the pool. Okay, and that one is very close to the cost that they finally, the company, the Henselfeld, they release the number. Okay. All right. By the way, the total cost of the project over here, Fort Lauderdale, pool over here, diving pool. Total cost, construction cost. The total construction cost of that one is around $27 million, right? Just for renovation. So you see that the pool will have a lot of money, that because that one is the major cost of the project. That one will be around $5.1 million. Okay, so we're done with one thing. Now let's pause the video here, and I'm gonna continue in the next video.